Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Bash, specifically using it on Windows. Bash, or the born-again shell, is a Unix shell and command language that's a staple for cybersecurity analysts. As a result of Windows Subsystem for Linux, WSL, using Bash on Windows has never been easier. Let's explore what Bash is, why it's important for cybersecurity, and then look at the 16 most common Bash commands used by cybersecurity analysts. What is Bash? Bash is a text-based command processor where users type commands that cause actions. It is widely used for scripting and automating tasks. For cybersecurity analysts, Bash is invaluable because it allows for efficient management of systems, quick execution of repetitive tasks, and powerful data manipulation. With Windows Subsystem for Linux, you can run a genuine Linux environment directly on your Windows machine, bringing all the power of Bash to your fingertips. Why learn Bash for cybersecurity? Learning Bash is crucial for cybersecurity for several reasons. Firstly, many cybersecurity tools and scripts are written for Unix-based systems. Secondly, Bash scripting can automate complex tasks, saving time and reducing errors. Lastly, understanding Bash can enhance your ability to manage and troubleshoot systems, making you more effective in your role. First up, we have the ls command. Use the ls command to list the contents of the directory. This will show the files and directories within the current directory. Next is cd, which stands for change directory. This command allows you to move to different directories, making it easy to manage and organize your files. Use the cd command followed by the path of the directory you want to move to. The pwd command, which stands for print working directory, displays the full path of the current directory you are in. This command is useful for confirming your current location within the file system. To create a new directory in a Unix-based system, you can use the mkdir command. This command is straightforward and efficient, allowing you to quickly set up new directories for organizing your files and projects. To remove the directory, use the rmdir command followed by the name of the directory you want to delete. For removing files or directories, rm is the command you'll use. Be cautious with this one. Copy a file. Use the cp command followed by the source file and the destination path. Move a file. Use the mv command followed by the source file and the destination path. View the file contents. Use the cat command followed by the file name. Open the file with nano. Use the nano command followed by the file name. Search for a pattern. Use the grep command followed by the pattern you want to search for and the file name. Locate files by name. Use the find command followed by the directory path, the name option, and the file name pattern. To monitor system processes and resource usage in a Unix-based system, you can use the top command. Simply type top and press enter. To get a snapshot of current processes in a Unix-based system, you can use the ps command. Simply type ps and press enter to get a basic snapshot of your current shell processes. To check disk space usage in a Unix-based system, you can use the df command. Simply type df and press enter to get a basic summary of disk space usage. To download files from the internet in a Unix-based system, you can use the wget command. Type wget followed by the URL of the file you want to download. And there you have it, the 16 most common Bash commands every cybersecurity analyst should know, even on Windows. If you master these commands, you will be more productive and efficient in managing and securing systems. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.